Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to graph a circle, find its center and radius using Desmos graphing calculator and commands within it. So to graph a circle, you are going to, and I'm just going to write this out, it's not going to graph something because we don't have variables, you're going to use the circle function x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And so for an example, I'm just going to say x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 81. So, a common SAT problem might ask you, might give you this circle equation and ask you to find its center and radius. So first of all, you can see that when you graph a circle, the graph is going to mark down a few points. It is going to graph down all of the intercepts with the axes. So you can see here are x and y intercepts, and it goes to the decimal. And it's also going to get its topmost point and bottommost point. So 314 and 3, -4. So using those two coordinates, we're going to look at these. You can find the center really easily. So you just say midpoint. You can see it already creates a command for me there. Put a parentheses, a double parentheses, and then see the top point, 314, and put another comma, and then the bottom point, 3, -4. You can see it labels it right here what the coordinate is, 3, 5, and puts a point on the graph. That here is your center, 3, 5. And using that, you can do one of two ways to find the radius. If you didn't need to find the center and just want to start using the top 2 points, I'm going to show you how to do that, but I'm also going to show you how to use this new midpoint value. You can go distance, and then again, let's find these two coordinates. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Like if you're doing this in the SAT, this would be a lot quicker. And then divided by 2. Because the distance from the topmost value to the bottommost value, that is the diameter, and half of that will be your radius. And as you can see, it puts it right here in the left bar. 9 is your radius from that. You could also have just done distance after finding the center value. 3, 5, our center, and then one of either the highest point or the lowest point. So I'm just going to use the highest point in this case, and it gets you the same value. So that is how you find the center and radius using Desmos for a circle.